Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need white chocolate chips, chopped macadamia nuts, butter, eggs, brown sugar, granulated sugar, flour, baking soda, salt, and vanilla. Begin by melting 2 sticks of butter. Once the butter has melted, continuously stir until the butter reaches a golden brown color. While the butter is cooling, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, combine brown butter, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Add 1 egg and 2 egg yolks. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Combine the dry and wet ingredients. Add 1 cup of macadamia nuts and 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Mix until combined. Scoop the cookie dough and roll into balls. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the plastic wrap. Bake at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. Once baked, allow the cookies to rest for at least 10 minutes. And there you have it, white chocolate chip macadamia nut cookies. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.